Hello and welcome to the installation video for the Polaris RZR seat lowering base. Here's the tools you'll need for the installation. One 4mm hex key, one T27 Torx bit screwdriver or T-handle, a 7/16 wrench, and a 10mm wrench. Here are the parts included with the kit. 2 seat bases, 2 seat base lever housings, 8 seat base shims, 4 1/4-inch button head screws, and 4 1/4-inch slim nylock nuts. Lay out the parts as shown, and let's begin. Start by grabbing the latch at the back of the seat base, pulling up on it, and then removing the seat backwards and out of the vehicle. Here's another profile to show the action of removing the seat. Once removed, flip the seat and lay it on a surface so that the base is facing upward and all components are easily visible. Next, remove all 6 of the rubber grommets on the bottom of the base. There are 4 at the top and 2 on the bottom. Save these as they will be used later in the installation process. With the grommets removed, go ahead and grab your 10mm wrench and take off the 2 nuts shown on the seat base latch. With the nuts removed, the top plate can also be taken off. Discard the metal plate found just after the top plate. Now remove the loop spring and lever. Next, use a T27 Torx bit to remove the 4 screws on each corner of the seat base. Be sure to save the screws, washers, and bushings, as all of them will be reused later in the assembly process. Once the screws are removed, pull on the sliding lever and the seat base should easily lift off. Next, we're going to assemble the seat base latch. Position the housing as shown and insert the lever as you see on the screen. Next, we'll get our loop spring and put the 2 prongs inside the holes at the bottom of the housing. Then we're going to push that spring into the groove on the lever. As you can see, the profile is not yet flush. So we'll push the prongs in until the profile of the front of the latch mechanism is totally flush. We will now install the latch assembly. Place the assembly on the back of the seat base and the top plate on the front. Use 2 of the supplied 1/4-inch screws and nuts to secure the latch assembly to the seat base. Tighten these as tight as they can be while still allowing the latch assembly to move freely. This is imperative to the installation process. Next, we will install the 6 rubber grommets from the OEM seat base. 1 will go in each 1/2-inch hole found in the corners of the plate. That's 4 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Go ahead and grab your seat base and insert the front legs under the seat rail before lowering the back onto the seat pin. Push the base down firmly until the latch clicks. Now pull the latch mechanism toward the front of the seat base. Once adjusted, use a 4mm hex key and a 7/16 wrench to tightly secure the latch mechanism. Once done, test the latch by locking and unlocking it repeatedly before continuing to the next step. We can now position the seat base on the seat. Make sure the bolt on the seat sliding mechanism is locked into one of the notches before proceeding. When installing the screws in the next step, be sure to use one of the supplied shims behind each screw as shown. With this in mind, proceed to hand tighten the 4 T27 screws in their designated holes. Be sure to include the washer, bushing, and shim on each screw. Once done, finish them off with a T27 socket, wrench, or T-handle. Lay the seat on a secure surface. While depressing the slide lever, cycle the seat base up and down forcefully until the action is smooth and easy. Having a partner can help with this process. Once the sliding mechanism feels smooth, bring the seat into the vehicle. Hook the front flanges into the bar shown and slowly lower the back of the seat down. When you can see the latch is over the stud on the frame, push down hard on the seat until you hear a click confirming the latch has locked. Test the latch repeatedly by locking and unlocking the latch. Give the seat a hard shake and ensure the base and seat move together, not independently. The installation is now done. Feel free to use the email or phone number below to contact us with any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for choosing L&W Fab.